Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Netflix gift card. First, find your gift card's 11-digit PIN. If it's a physical card, gently scratch off the silver strip on the back to reveal this unique code. For digital cards, the PIN is usually in your email. Next, open your web browser and navigate directly to the official Netflix gift card redemption page. This is the essential first step to adding funds to your account. Once you are on the Netflix redemption page, you will see a clear field for entering your code. Carefully type in the 11-digit PIN you just located. Double-check for any typos, as accuracy is key here. After confirming the code is correct, simply click the Redeem button. This action initiates the process of applying the gift card's value to your Netflix account. After clicking Redeem, the value of your gift card is immediately applied to your Netflix account balance. This balance will then be used for your next subscription payment or payments until the funds are fully depleted. You will also receive an email confirming the successful redemption and the new balance on your account. It's a seamless way to manage your subscription costs. The great news is that Netflix gift card funds never expire, so your balance will always be there for future payments. You can also add multiple gift cards to accumulate a larger balance, providing many months of entertainment. With your gift card successfully redeemed, you can now enjoy uninterrupted access to Netflix's vast library of movies, series, and documentaries. Happy streaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.